Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for the 27th of March 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. Firstly, we will take a look at Nifty. Given the continued geopolitical concerns that pushed crude oil prices back above $100 per barrel, in addition to a weak rupee and increased volatility, Nifty saw another day of losses today. The NSE index fell by 2.09% or 400 Monies 86.85 points to close below 23,000 once again at 22,819.60. All sectoral indices ended in the red today with chemicals and realty plunging the most. Both supports mentioned in the morning were broken today, so all levels for Nifty will need to be adjusted downwards. Supports for now will be at 22,630, followed by 22,470, while resistances will be at 22,875, followed by 23,085. For Monday, if the geopolitical turmoil continues to push crude oil prices upward over the weekend, another negative opening may be expected. However, any de-escalation efforts will have a positive effect on Nifty, with the index being bullish above 23,085, while bearish momentum will continue intensifying below 22,470. Next, let us take a look at Sensex. Sensex 2 lost 2.25% or 1,690 points to close sharply lower at 73,583. A downward readjustment of levels will need to be done after today's bloodbath, with supports now being at 73,090 followed by 72,565, while resistances will be at 74,140 followed by 74,950. Sensex will be bullish above 74,950, while bears will take a grip below 72,565. Now let us check out crude oil, which happens to be the commodity most in news. With plans for US ground troops to be deployed to Iran, volatility in crude oil may be expected to intensify, which in turn pushes the energy counter even higher. If de-escalation efforts intensify, a heavy correction may be witnessed, but in the current scenario, it seems unlikely for now. Crude has been trading with a positive bias today given the recent geopolitical developments, and as such, supports can be adjusted upwards to 9,040, followed by 8,755, while resistances can be moved up to 9,325, followed by 9,625. Bullish momentum can be seen intensifying above 9,325, while bears will take over only below 8,175. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in news today. Shares of Tata Motors Limited fell around 5% to hit a 52-week low after its subsidiary, Jaguar Land Rover, temporarily halted production at its Solihull plant in the UK. The development has raised concerns over near-term production and revenue impact. Shares of Oracle Financial Services Software Limited jumped nearly 7% despite weak markets after the company signed a major deal with an existing US-based client. The agreement has boosted investor confidence in its growth outlook. Shares of Reliance Industries Limited fell over 4% after the government imposed export duty on petrol and diesel. The move is expected to impact margins, especially given the company's large export-oriented refining operations at Jamnagar. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.